final option for seal configuration on a Universal One pump is the double mechanical. Let's show you how that works. Like before, you have one shaft O-ring, all mechanical seals. They go to the back O-ring groove of the pump. Slide on your rotating seal with your pin aligning with the shaft. You have one body O-ring, installs in the groove here with lubricant. On your inner seal, you have a wave spring. Make sure it is installed with the gap over the seal pin area. Install into your body. Making sure to align your body pin with your seal. Compress, check for spring tension. Next, we will have our outer seal. It also has a body pin slot and an O-ring. Install. Compress the O-ring. Now you're okay to install the body. Once your body retaining bolt screws are tightened, the seal assembly is complete. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.